Hello, you are welcome to my channel, in which I display everything related to the world of digital currencies. I do project reviews for new cryptocurrencies in addition to platforms or portfolios. And also videos that help you to profit from the internet and raise capital. So our explanation today will be a review of a platform that has been operating since 2018. Its name is PrimeXBT. I invite you to register from the link in the description box to receive a bonus of 35% for your first deposit. The bonus will only last for a month, so hurry up to register and start trading. In this video, we will explain a new feature that was added to the platform. Her name is Covesting copy trading. Through this feature you will be able to copy the trading of any professional person and you will profit as he wins. The advantage of this platform is that you can trade in it in all available markets. You can trade in digital currencies, forex, stock market, binary options, in addition to trading with a leverage of up to 100. The platform has its own application that you can find on Google Play or in the App Store. You can download it and trade simply through your phone. Here we find simple information about the platform for you to know more about. Now we go to the registration method. You will find the link in the description box. Enter your email here. Here is the password, and your country code and phone number. Important note, for Algerians, the site has not added the country code yet. So you can choose any other country and add the phone number. It does not matter because you will not need to activate the documents, neither for trading, nor for deposit, or even for withdrawal. So after filling in the data, you mark this box here that you agree to the terms of the platform. Then you click on register, and you must activate the email to log into your account. I will log in to explain the website interface from the inside. So, as you notice here, in your account, you can make a deposit or withdrawal without the need to do any activation of documents. We go to the next block. You can find the cryptocurrency trading page here. From here you can buy and sell any currency and follow it through this chart. The next box is for binary options. As for the third field, which is of interest to us in this video, Covesting copy trading. So through this page, I will explain to you in detail what this feature is and how to benefit from it. As you know, this feature helps the professional and the novice. If you are a beginner and intend to enter the trading market to profit from it, this feature will easily enable you to achieve your endeavor. And that is by choosing a professional trader you find on the platform and following him. After following it, the same deals will be entered into automatically and you will make a profit together. Of course, to choose this person you will find these statistics that help you, showing you the percentage or profit that he achieved within a day, month or year. Accordingly, you choose the one who achieved the best percentage in a short period of time and follow it up. So, back to this page, you find all these names for professional traders who flex their trading muscles. For example, we will choose this because it achieved a good percentage. In my opinion, when you click on his name, the required statistics will open. Down here, you will find offers that you can take advantage of. The minimum number to follow is only 0.001 Bitcoin. This here shows you the percentage that will earn you according to the deposit that you make. So here you write the quantity that you want to participate with and then click here. The second box is for your statistics after a trader has been followed up. And for the third field, it is especially for those who are professional and want to offer their services to be followed up by other traders. So here you enter the name of your strategy, or your name does not matter. Here you are asked to describe the strategy. All you have to do is write the thing that you will focus on in your trades. For example, type 1 will only be interested in trading Bitcoin, or only major digital currencies and so on. Here you write the amount that you will enter into your trades. The minimum is 0.001. On this side, you find special offers with the percentage that will benefit you and the trader who will follow you, as well as the platform. The last page you find is for doing the analyses. It is a special page of TradingView. It enables you to do analyses directly in the platform. You can choose a currency and do an analysis, and there is everything you need to make an excellent and professional analysis. I think I explained what I intend to explain in this video. For any inquiry or question, put it in the comments and I will answer you. Here, my friends, I wish you a good day or a good night, depending on the time you watch the video. So thank you.